like day 10, 11, 1000. I don't know what day of the sheltering at home it is, but I'm going in the crawl space. It's raining again. March showers bring March flowers. Something. First of all, just being in here is motivating. Looking at the things that need my attention is motivating because I want it done. So, and I'm motivated by the new lifestyle that we've been living outside of this crawl space. The minimalist life that we've been living. And this down here harkens of the old me. So it needs to be gone through. It's just, okay. Let's revisit what we've done so far. This used to be full, here to here. I've cleared all of that out. So the rocking chair, that's the kids' rocking chair from their grandmother. That's gonna come out and go in the homeschool room. Lamps are still being assessed on need in the house. And then this is the start of Rock Band. I'm missing pieces of Rock Band that are gonna go in here. And of course, nothing. Those two black bins are curtains. There's some miscellaneous boxes over there. These are my husband's books that he's decided to hang on to. This is empty. And then here's the rest. I cleared that back corner over there. Used to be the Papazon chair, right? And then here's all this junk. Right. Okay. So what we're gonna do, designate an area for sentimental. My husband and I are both not ready or able in that we have time to deal with sentimental right now. So I have bins of sentimental, he has bins of sentimental, and we're gonna set it aside for now. So we're gonna have a pile for seasonal and a pile for sentimental, and then a pile of whatever's left over we haven't made a decision about. So I've hit a bin that I can do nothing with. So that's gonna be sentimental. Okay, this is a kitchen box. I'm not getting very far. If you have a small kitchen and you have items that you do not regularly use, that you use for company once or twice a year, or you use on a special occasion, do you hang on to them? Because I'm inclined to not hang on to them. It's a popcorn maker. See this. More curtains. Over here too. Okay, so that's now sentimental and curtains, that area. Ultimately, I'd imagine curtains are going to be donated. The curtains sitting in a box in the crawl space does not do anyone any good. They should be donated to someone who can use them. There's probably more curtains. Oh, for heaven's sake, there's more curtains. Okay. So curtains, 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 curtains. Okay. Now, the first time I came in here, it was easy pickings. A lot of things were trash or donate. Now I'm kind of at that decision-making point of things where if we're not using them, why do I have them? Okay. My mantra that I go to is decide what to keep, ask why you're keeping it, and let go of the rest. Okay, I love these. And I do want to keep them. And the why is because of the pride of our country, and my husband's in the military, and I like to remind the children as to why he does what he does for our country. So, if anything, these should come out of the crawl space and onto our walls. Keeping on the wall. This is a bin of picture frames. These are all the places we've been stationed, and then a frame of the first month for each kid. I need a spot for pictures that I don't know where I want to hang, but I want to hang on to, because that's a serious project. So once we actually narrow down to everything we want to keep to hang onto our walls, then we can decide where to hang it in the house. So I think the best way to go about that would be to centralize all of the photographs and the paintings and the tchotchke kind of things to hang up, and decide where in the house to hang them, and then everything that's left over we would donate. I have to wonder how much of that I'm going to end up with. This, I know exactly what this is. This is a hamper. Please don't be spiders in here. Please don't be spiders in here. This is a hamper. I'm going to donate this. All right, this box says guest room lamps and sheets. We don't have a guest room. So this is from a house or two ago. Sat in storage for, sat in Navy storage for 2 years. And that's actually not what's in this box. Pieces of, okay. Pieces of a kid's game. I don't even know what that is. Okay. And some bags. Okay. This box is going to turn into a donate box. I just don't know how to get it out. This was a book album that I was making right after we got married. Storybook. Look how creative I was. Before we had kids. And all of our time was sucked away from us. Ow! Wedding picture. Keep this. All right, so this definitely falls in the sentimental category. We want some lampshades. I don't even know what that is. Or that. What's this? Curtains. Yep. This goes with a travel luggage set that my mother made for me. So I'm going to save that and put that with that. Okay. This is a lined beach bag. I'm going to save this for 2 reasons. One, my mom made it. And second, I will use it as a beach bag. It's great because it's so easy to clean. She lined it with plastic or vinyl or something. So it's super easy to clean and get sand out and all that good stuff. Mesh bags also work really well for the beach with kids and toys. So I'm going to put this over here because I'm going to take that out and put that in my closet with my other luggage. So all of my luggage is together. Hello. Hear me, all ye spiders. Crawl away from me. Crawl away from me. What I'm going to do now is drag this box out. Ow! Dang rabbit. Okay, I know I didn't get taller because I haven't grown since the 6th grade. Why do I keep bumping my head? I'm not being careful. Okay. All right, what else was donated to this pile? That was this. Put the... Ow. What I'd like to do is put the matches together for the curtains so that they can be donated in sets. Sentimental. One of my sentimental bins. Okay. This is summer. Summertime. And this guy is empty. Okay, so what do we end up with? We ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4 bins that I could probably slide. Why am I saying probably? Just do it. That's what Mel Robbins would say. Just do it. Right? Get those bins out of here if you're going to donate them. Get them out of here. Yep. Why am I letting them take up space? If I'm going to donate them, why not just do it now? Okay. Bins here. we bought when we had to move cross country a couple of times for the Navy, and we had some things that we moved ourselves that were sentimental that we didn't want Navy movers to touch. And so we put them in these bins. We also kept dog food in these bins because at the time we had 3 dogs and we were moving cross country, driving across the country, visiting family with our dogs. And so we kept dog food in there, which is so funny because I would not do that now. Back then, 10 years ago, I bought enough dog food to last for months traveling cross country. Like, we couldn't swing into a Target and buy more dog food. So funny. I would not do that now. Now, if we moved cross country now, everything that I would want to bring with us would fit in the van with the 5 of us. There's no way I would need a carry top or extra bins pulled on a trailer. My husband pulled a trailer in the back of our 4Runner across the country. So funny. Minimalism changes all facets of your life. Ow! God, love! What was that? That was not comfortable. Oh, what was that? A nail? Oh, ow. I'm gonna actually take that as a sign from the universe. So what I'm gonna do is call it a victory with the curtains. I'm gonna get the curtains out. 2 huge bins, 2 back, and the dust is getting to me. So, yes, Rebecca. Keep hitting that one. Hurt. That last one hurt. Okay. Well, push them out of the way, and then they won't be in the way. Here, the start of seasonal and sentimental that we're keeping in the crawl space. This is empty. This is clear. And I suspect those waterproof, airtight black bins are going to be repurposed by my husband in some way. He has a ton of home brewing equipment that he would probably love to be able to store in something like that. So I'm going to save those for him. We're not going to play with the black boxes. No, we are going to. Okay, so what we're going to do is put everything that matches together. Okay, those are different, right? See how they're different? See how they're different? We're going to make different piles. Okay. Now that's different too, right?
Yeah, this is different.
And this one? Okay.
Micah, there's different box.
What is happening today?
We have a sheet in
That's not my wedding dress, is it? No. These were in Brandon's room when he was a baby.
Yeah.
And then when he was a toddler, we had these because it was a different house. And different windows. What's in here? Oh, my stars. What's Navy life like? Well, it's like curtains. It's like a lot of curtains. Pretty valance. Very pretty, but be a really cute, like, kitchen valance. What is this? Oh, shears. Purple shears. My mother made these as well. For a minute. Full. Half full. What's in here? What in the world was this? These feel like snow pants. What are these? Oh, these are thermalbacks. These are thermalbacks. Random valance. Random valances. This is my random valances section. These pajamas? Feel like pajamas. They're curtains though. Okay. More blue. I'm gonna make that the blue section.
What do you think?
6, 7, 10, 11.
No! Back up. 4, 5, 6.
41. Oh, back up. And just push in here. So in here is 10 pairs of shears, 10 pairs of sheer curtains, 41 curtain panels, and 3 shower curtains. I'm also donating 2 lampshades and a bunch of bags and a hamper. Hang on to the stuff my mom made here. This set of 8 curtains. It was in the last house we bought. I can repurpose these in a lot of different ways. And we may not be staying in this house, so I'm gonna hang on to those for now. These are all the panels that used to be here, 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 and here. So I'm gonna hang on to these for now. Yeah, I'm waffling on this one. Only because it's for this house. So I could even just leave them for a future owner, but that's sort of where my head is possibly leaving that for a future owner. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. My face is somewhere down here, so you can subscribe. Here's the latest video.